Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually turn off restricted mode on YouTube. You know, this function where particular videos not gonna show to you simply because the algorithm detects them that might be dangerous or not following the guidance. Let me show you how you can actually turn this off. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the YouTube app. Then go ahead and click on the lower right corner. When you're at your YouTube profile, I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the upper right. When you're at the actual settings menu, I want you to click on General. When you're at General Settings, I want you to scroll down and see there is a special section that is called Restricted Mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. Very important, guys, this setting only applies to this app on this device, meaning now I'm going to turn this off and this setting will be updated only on this device, meaning now if I had logged in on my laptop, on my tablet, on my other phone, they all gonna have the restricted mode still on. This is simply because you might have this function here on your device that you're using, but your laptop might be used from your kids, right? So you want to make sure that each of these devices have unique settings set. So if all the devices are used by you, now you probably want to go and do the same exact steps on the other devices so you can turn them off. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.